Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise lesson 7th, tribes and nomads and settled tribes communities. As you know about nomads were people who were wandering with their cattle in search of fodder and water from one place to another place. The first question which we are going to discuss, it is what type of exchange took place between nomadic pastoralists and settled agriculturists. You know that settled agriculturists, they do the work of agriculture and they grow different type of crops, grain, and the nomadic people, they move with their herd of cattle and they mostly make ghee and milk product and also leather. They exchange leather, milk product from the settled community who do agriculture with their granaries, and also the nomad, they make some type of tools they sell to the agriculturist. In this way, the main thing which take place in exchange was the animal product and the crops between the settled agriculturist and between the nomadic people. How was the administration of a homes organized? In a homes state, the work of state were done by pikes. About them, some points are given here. The home state depended upon forced labor or pikes. The census of the population was taken. Each villages had to send a number of pikes by rotation. People from heavily populated area were shifted to less populated places. Home clans were thus broken. And afterwards, the state became centralized. The administration of the state became centralized. What changes took place in Varna-based society? About this, we are going to discuss. As you know, many jati were become popular at that time. Here some points are given about them. Smaller caste or jatis emerged within Varnas. Many tribes and social groups were taken into caste-based society and given status of jatis. Specialized artisans, smiths, carpenters, and masons were also organized as separate jatis by the Brahmanas. Means the society was dominated by Brahmana. According to them, the jatis were made, and Brahmanas make the every type of jatis. Jatis rather than Varna become the basis of organizing society. Means in society, different jatis were living at that time. The next question which we are going to discuss, it is how did tribal societies change after being organized into state. What were changes that take place in the organized state? They started administration system, some social division within the tribal societies also took place. Tribal king began to grant land to Brahmanas, poets and scholars, and also they started attacking to their neighboring state, and they started taking help of the Brahmanas to become famous king, to become famous ruler of that area. Students, as you know about bhakti, that what is the source of bhakti? The source of bhakti is explained in Bhagavad Gita. Here question is given, what was the source of idea of bhakti or devotion? Then it is the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a source of bhakti. Then which god were worshipped by bhaktas? There were many gods in Hinduism. They were worshipped like Shiv, Vishnu and Devi Durga. They all are worshipped by the bhaktas. Then next, who were Alvar and Nainars? Students, you know very well about them, that Alvars and Nainars, they worshipped Shiv and Vishnu. They were bhakta of Shiv and Vishnu. And the next is who wrote Ramcharitmanas in Awadhi. Very famous writer he is. Ramcharitmanas he has written. Tulsidas, his name is Tulsidas. He has written the Ramcharitmanas. And then the next, who succeeded Guru Nanak? After Guru Nanak, who has taken his place? He was Guru Angad. You know about him. His name was changed. He became Angad, Guru Angad.